Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to say thank you to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has given health to all of us. Secondly, I want to say thank you to the judges and to all of the audience who have allowed me to speak in front of you all. Hello everyone, my name is Fayza Asyla and I am a student from Mansato, Yogyakarta. Firstly, I want to ask you about a question. What do you know about climate change? And do you know what happened to Indonesia because of climate change? Maybe some of us were familiar with it and know what is the impact because of climate change on Indonesia. So that's why I'm here to deliver my speech with the title, The Contribution of Youth to Face Climate Change in Indonesia. According to agency Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics known as BMKG, climate change in Indonesia can be seen because of the increase of carbon dioxide. BMKG notes that in 2016 was the hottest year to Indonesia, with an anomaly 0.8 degrees Celsius throughout the observation period from 1981 to 2020. Furthermore, in 2019 is in the third place with an anomaly 0.6 degrees Celsius. And then in 2020 was the second hottest year to Indonesia with an anomaly 0.7 degrees Celsius. Based on this data, there are several facts about climate change in Indonesia. The first one is the phenomenon of rising temperature. The second one, snow that is no longer eternal at the peak of Jaya. The third one is the existence of small island that is threatened. The fourth one is the increase of carbon dioxide concentration. And the last one is the frequency, intensity, and duration of extreme weather that is on the rise. As you can see, there's a lot of impact because of climate change in Indonesia. So, what can we do as a youth? We actually can prevent climate change start by ourselves. And after that, we can also invite people around us and start from small change. For example, we can do from our daily activity, like saving water, saving electricity, reducing the use of motorized vehicles like cars, motorcycle, and more. Or we can do more. For another example, like in my school, we have P5 that implement zero waste. So, what is P5? P5 is one of the project Merdeka curriculum. So, basically, we're reducing our trash bin. So, if we want to buy any food or drink, we need to bring our tumbler or food container. And if we have trash, we need to bring to our house. Also, if we have a plastic bottle, we need to give it to a waste bin, and there's a garbage officer that will reduce it. It's actually one of the actions that we can do as a student or as a youth, and it's just very simple. So there's no reason to not prevent climate change, especially to our country, because climate change has come from us and we need to do our best to save our country. So let's move and change the world together. Alright everyone, I think that's all my speech. I hope it's useful for you all. I'm sorry if there are any words or behavior that unplace in your heart. Thank you so much for your attention and your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.